Let's record a meaningful conversation.
What a meaningful conversation.
Sheila, you sound drunk.
No, that's my normal voice actually.
Teacher Augie, what do you have to say about that?
What?
Sheila.
I didn't hear.
I like the sound.
Why do you always keep taking a picture? I want to take a picture of
I like the
Look at
sound.
Teacher Carmen. She's frustrated. Teacher Carmen.
No, that's
Come
Gretchen
on.
Barrett.
We'll find you a good
Okay,
man.
teacher. Gretchen, can you tell something about the new Olay total effect?
Picture of a good man.
Is it effective? Olay total effect?
Gretchen, what do you have to say? Does it still fight the 7 signs of aging?
You're still fighting, huh?
Are you talking to this Gretchen or that Gretchen?
Oh yes, of course. Let's not forget our Ate Gretchen. Hi, Ate
Ate Gretchen, come my number. Let's go.
Nothing will beat Ate Matep. Look at that.
That one, Marjorie and Gretchen and Claudine.
Look at that, showing off the wedding ring. See? See?
Hey.
Sheila.
Where's my wedding ring?
Oh.
Oh, where's your wedding ring? You left it.
I left it because I'm single.
You know,
Today.
I always
Just
do
paid
that. Every Friday, I tell Dylan, I'm single, di ba?
Look at big.